Hey everyone, my name is Marcus Griswold, and I'm the entrepreneurial lead at our town hall.
Hi, I'm Sumit Sandhu. I'm the technical lead for our town hall.
Hello, my name is Shauna Fisher, and I'm co-TL at our town hall.
Hi, I'm Yusuf Kazaruni, and I'm the co-EL at our town hall.
Hi, my name is Nisha, and I'm the industry mentor at our town hall.
As a child, my mom, a teacher in Baltimore City, experienced an explosion near her school in the underserved community of Curtis Bay. Rust covered their cars, and the factory owners approached, giving them a check and urging them not to report the incident. This event, known locally as a Day It Rained Rust, symbolizes the daily challenges faced by underserved communities like Curtis Bay.
Our goal is to build a platform that empowers environmental justice communities to engage in the local decision-making process, enabling them to actively shape their future in the face of climate change, biodiversity loss, and widespread pollution.
We started out with the assumption that our product was an AI-based database of community-based organizations, articulating their services, assets, and geographic service areas. We had seen interest from government sustainability offices and expected to build in community engagement features.
We got out of the building and interviewed over 100 diverse organizations, both online and in person. We discovered a complex three-headed monster market with the trifecta of 1, government sustainability offices, 2, clean tech startups and corporate initiatives, and 3, environmental justice communities and small disadvantaged businesses. Our beachhead market will now be intermediaries advocating for these three sides.
The epiphany I had is that our town hall is not a typical startup or a business. It's actually a convergence of different, often conflicting groups. Co-creation with the most motivated partners will be key for them in the near future.